Now let us have a look at the difference between cognitive behavioral therapy and traditional psychotherapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT is different from traditional psychotherapy. The therapist and the patient actively work together on one-on-one sessions or with family or groups to help the patient to recover. However, for CBT to be effective and have long-lasting results or effects, the patients must be actively involved. There is no way that it can work without the patient playing his or her role. It is therefore very interactive, and the patient involved will be given activities that are analyzed before new activities are developed. This therapy is based on the concept that patients' thoughts, feelings and actions are all interconnected in a way. Negative thoughts and feelings trap patients into a vicious cycle that is hard to break out. The therapist's aim is to help patients break out this cycle and become free from controlled mood swings and addictions. If you are suffering from any mood disorder or addictions, the therapist will help you break down the problem into smaller parts, which then can be dealt with when you are able to change the negative patterns to improve your feelings. Thank you.